Hi and welcome back to my channel, the Queen Phoenix. Today's pattern is called the iris stitch. It consists of rows of double crochets, V stitches. So you got double crochets but in V stitches, and they're lined up one on top of each another, as you can see here. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated with free tutorials and patterns, just like the one we're doing today, absolutely free. If you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. So grab your hook and your yarn, and let's do this. For this stitch, you are going to need a foundation chain with a multiple of 4, and to that you will add 3. So I'm using 16 and I've added 3 more, which is a total of 19 stitches. And I have already chained them here for you. So for round 1, you're going to work 2 double crochets, a chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the 5th chain from the hook. So let's count our 5 chains down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And into there, let's put 2 double crochets, a chain 1, and 2 double crochets. Now you're going to skip the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and you're going to work in the 4th. You will do the exact same thing. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. This here is called our double crochet V-stitch. Again, you're going to repeat it. Skip 3, chain, into the 4th chain, 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets. Skip again 1, 2, 3, into the 4th one, 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets. When you get to the last 2, chain, skip the first one and make 1 double crochet in the last chain. This is what you'll have so far. For row number 2, you're going to chain 3, turn your work. Work in the 1 chain spaces. So in the chain spaces that you made in each of your double crochet V stitches, that's the only space we're going to work. And you will work 2 double crochets, followed by 1 chain, 2 double crochets into the same space. Again, work in that chain space, 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets. And you're going to keep on repeating that until you come to the end of your row. So in that last V stitch, to end this row, you're going to make 1 double crochet in your starting 3 chain of your previous row. You will repeat row 2 until you have the desired length that you need. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Please enjoy crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix out.